a good morning to all of you. First off, I have to apologize. It's been about at least 5 weeks, I believe, since I made a video. Reason being, I had a major car breakdown and it's taken 3 weeks to troubleshoot it. And maybe I'll post a video of that because it's very interesting. Let me know in the comments if you want to see it. It was a challenge, let's put it this way. Anyhow, this video is about what not to do when you're at an event. And 3 weeks ago we had an event on the weekend. It was a Saturday, very hot day. It was about 109 and we were all suffering. But anyhow, I took the Eurofighter and the Tucano out to this event, and it was for veterans. It was a local club thing. We're trying to do something good for the local veterans groups. And I'm not sure, I think it was raising money or something like that. But anyhow, they wanted to see demonstrations of all these fancy aircraft we had, and it was a warbird event. So it was getting windy, so it was about 10 in the morning, the wind was picking up, so I decided to take the Eurofighter up and say the hell with it, we'll risk it. So Brad and I decided to do an NTSB investigation, and we assumed we'd suck some rocks in, which are all around the airport, just small ones. But it wasn't that. It was my stupid mistake, and here we go. And this is the result. So this one is completely toast, and the vanes have actually pulled out of the shroud. This one still turns, so I guess that's not too bad. But I think what happened, because I'm running open duct on this one, is it looks like somehow our wires came loose and got sucked into the fans. The blades on this one here are totally seized to the shroud, and it looks like they're actually melted. Oh no, that's the shroud. I mean, that's the vanes, not the this is the fan, what's left of it. And that one's about equally as bad, I believe. Yeah. So not what to do and spend $600 more or $700 or whatever it is for 2 new fans and everything. Also, it looks like the outlet collapsed, but I think that may have been the fan moving. Or is it? Oh no, the engine moved it. I mean, the motor moved, I guess. So anyhow, something went wrong. It looks like the heat from that day, it was extremely hot that day. And I think what happened is all the tape, even though I use a high temperature heating duct tape, looks like from what I can see here, the tape must have got soft and wasn't gripping anymore and just got sucked in. But normally I have the wires running through, well, you can see it down there barely. I have them running through this splitter, which is used to divert the air. And the engine or motor mounts still seem solid, but they kind of look crooked in a way. I don't know. Anyhow, that's from the top, so something's gone wrong. So we're going to strip these out and see what the hell we can do about them. Yeah, what I'm doing now, folks, is trying to remove the tape from the fan to the outlet tube. All right, now, there we go. Should be able to ease it forward now. There we go. And that's why you want to make all your designs, when you design a plane, make them so they're serviceable. Sometimes these things are built inside, so you can't get them out without cutting your fuselage apart. There we go. All right, so let's have a look at this thing. Main camera there. So obviously we lost every single blade, so that was a class 10 failure. The motor's not damaged. The vanes are still inside, unlike the other one. So this one's just a blade replacement. That's, I don't know, $100 or something. Now, what is this one? This one is the nasty bugger, isn't it? So this is in pieces. The inlet lips are destroyed. Oh, I guess the inlet lip on that one got destroyed as well. So in that silliness, we lost 2 inlet lips. But what I'm going to do is I can keep the design of this and 3D print them. So that saves a couple of bucks. Call me cheap. I am. Come on, baby. Oh, we even lost the engine mount. I mean, the motor mount itself.
Did we?
Yeah. Oh, I should say the fan mount. I don't want to take the wings off this thing. I just, yeah. Man, that really got smoked. You know what must have happened there? Is this motor? Oh, I don't know what happened, because why would it break the vanes?
Yeah, it's way back on the
So
carbon fiber, isn't it?
Yeah. What? Was it trying to suck through or something? Oh, stick that in our little tray. But these are Jet Fan 90s that I got from Eflux RC, who was my past sponsor. And that's Gary. So if you want any fans or anything, get them from him. He dynamically balanced these for me when I purchased them. And he does a good job. Okay, here we go. So I'll probably have to read. Oh, yeah. The outlet door. Oh, no, it's still in one piece. Just have to fix it up again. All right, so let's have a look at this. Oh my god!
Wow.
I don't know how that happened. I can't believe that happened. Let's see. So it actually rotated everything around. So that's supposed to go. Oh god! It's just welded in there. There we go. That's going to be interesting. I guess I'm going to have to sand all this stuff off. Yeah, every single blade. I think there's, what, 9 of them? Yeah, 9 of them. Every one, toast. So, looks like the shroud's okay. Looks like the vanes somehow came out. So that means that the fan must have been probably at least 50% more power, and then just blew apart, and whatever something got caught and pulled it all out. So let's see, any other damage in there?
Yeah, we're missing a
Yeah, so we
wire here.
got wires are all screwed up. That goes to, where's that one? Oh, that goes to an aileron or a elevator.
Yeah, that's on the wing.
Yeah, so that's.
So I got a wire here that could have been a connector.
Yeah, might as well cut those out.
Got a wire tie over here.
Yeah, let me just get in there and nip it. That should come through. So that's one of the issues you can have with open duct, where you don't have the inlet tubes. I used to have the inlet tubes on this, but when we test flew it years and years ago, they actually got sucked in and collapsed because they weren't strong enough and the fans were making too much power. So we took them off at the field. It was actually in Las Vegas at Ace in the Hole. And that was, gosh, at least 12, 13, 14 years ago. So, basically, it's all cocked up. So let's see, that goes to that wing. That one's okay. That one's toast, so that one got sucked in. You know, I must have forgot to tape them down. Because I think I honestly don't remember. I think I resealed the ducting with new tape and everything.
Oh, and didn't.
And probably just forgot to, you know, tape them down. But the mount worked great. Yeah, it's, anything like that, keep. In fact, just keep everything. Well, write the NTSB and have them come and have a look at it.